There are two ways to stream the Super Bowl online this year. I'm not going to waste your time with any BS. This is how you do it. The easiest way by far is to simply jump onto NFL Game Pass and purchase their Super Bowl pass. Yes, it's not a free stream. However, it gives you access to a quality stream of the live game in addition to replays of all the postseason games from this year. They will stream the halftime show, but unfortunately, at least in my experience, NFL Game Pass doesn't show the famous Super Bowl commercials. And it's just a bummer that you're missing out on that experience. If you want to watch everything, there is another way to stream that works really well. So follow along with me. The key to the second method is a VPN, or a virtual private network. If you visit vpnsetupguide.com, it'll direct you to ExpressVPN, which is the one that I use. A VPN will change your IP address to make it look like you're in a different location than where you're at. So if you download onto your desktop device, connect to a Los Angeles server, and then open up something like, let's say, ustvgo.tv, you will be able to stream any of the TV shows because it thinks that you're in Los Angeles as opposed to anywhere else in the world. Now, let's say you didn't just want to do it on your desktop device, you wanted to do it on your TV or on something like an Amazon Fire Stick. Again, I've downloaded ExpressVPN on the Fire Stick, connected to a Los Angeles server, and now I'm using something called Locast. Locast.org is a nonprofit that streams live TV stations as long as you are located in one of the cities that they allow. So again, I'm connecting to CBS and I'm streaming that TV station live. In addition to streaming the Super Bowl, I justify the cost of a VPN subscription because it also gives me access to things like Netflix, Hulu, Disney+, Prime Video, Pandora, and every other geo-restricted or censored content depending where you're at. Again, based on my own experience, make sure you get this whole thing set up and tested well before the game starts because I know how frustrating it is to be working on this while the game is already underway and everybody's waiting for you to figure it out. This also requires a high-speed internet connection, so don't be surprised if you get a little bit of buffering on slower speeds. Enjoy the game, give this video a thumbs up, and if you're the type of person who knows that securing your data and identity online is probably more important than locking the front door of your house, be sure to click that subscribe button. I think you'll like the videos we've got on all things secured.